This video will demonstrate the 5354T high voltage pulse generator and 502 cable fault tester. Now let's introduce the wiring method. This is the high voltage output line, which is connected to a ground wire, with a ground wire which is connected to the sampling ground port of the device. These two are ground wires for safety ground and high voltage ground. During the field test, the discharge rod should also be connected to the ground wire. A total of 4 ground wires must be connected. The ground wire connected to the other end of the high voltage output wire must be connected to the copper braid at the end of the cable armor. The waveform sampled in this way is better. The high voltage wire clip is clamped to the core of the cable. This is a voltage indicator. This is a current indicator. This is the power indicator. This is the high voltage indicator. This is the zero indicator. This is the signal port used to connect the cable fault tester to collect fault waveforms. This is start. This is stop. This is mode switching. DC is DC with stand voltage mode. Single is manual mode. Press single. Output once. Cycle is automatic cycle mode. This is the power connector and this is the on-off key. This is the boost knob. Turn on first, adjust the knob until the zero indicator lights up, then click Start. Start boosting. Observe the voltmeter and ammeter. When the fault point is broken down, the current decreases instantaneously, while the voltage increases. After the cable is broken down, we used the double Q line to connect the cable fault tester and the pulse generator. At this time, you can see that the waveform is being collected automatically on the interface of the tester. The collected waveform can be adjusted by the two knobs of displacement and amplitude. So that it can be displayed on the screen completely and clearly. The waveform on the screen is too big, let's adjust it. This is okay. Now we can intercept the waveform. Click Sampling and end the sampling. Use the stylus to move the cursors on the screen. Place the first cursor at the beginning of a complete waveform, and then move the second cursor to the last falling point of the waveform. In this way, the screen shows that the approximate distance of the fault point is 161.9 meters. This is the cable fault rough distance tested by the high voltage flash method.